Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome to Vertutoy channel. So I have just received this Wildfire 64, the Honda S2000 in front of me. It has that I think it's a Voltex body kit as well. Yeah, it does have that Voltex sticker on the back spoiler. So I've just gotten this, and honestly speaking, I don't even remember I pre-ordered this. So when I got it in my hands and it arrived, and when I see it, and this is my first Wildfire 64 model, so I think I'm a little bit blown away. Um, the packaging wise is really just damn simple compared to anyone else that has been doing these models for some time now. But on the first look, it hits the right spots for me actually. Okay, so packaging wise, it's really very simple. I don't know are these actually licensed, because I don't see any of that. The usual genuine licensed product sticker on this thing. Okay. However, the part that I really like the most is that it came with the cover. Okay, I felt that is something very different because there's so many brands out there right now, so it's kind of like everybody's shouting on top of each other, and everyone is doing RWB. So this is really something, a breath of fresh air, if you may, something different. So I do quite like that Wildfire decided to go ahead, and I'm not sure if this is the first, but I know there will be a couple more S2000 coming out. Okay, so it's on that sort of a carbon fiber kind of finishing on the base, which is actually very very similar to initial model. Okay, that has this base as well. So the parts, the additional stuff that they give, rather than slide it underneath, is taped. It's just literally taped on like that. Okay, so this thing is double. There's two screws to lock it down. Okay, and it's resin. Okay, it's resin, so definitely it's gonna be very light. And let's just get this out of the way because they tape this thing on top of the metal plug plug, that shows the brand and whatever details of the car is. So that is a bit yeah, sometimes sometimes these companies, you wonder why they go and do that. I'm really not sure. And then the tape they use, oh shit, yeah, leaves stains on the base. Somebody just don't understand why. uh, okay, anyway, Wildfire Honda Voltex. Okay, the Honda S2000. Okay, that's quite an interesting way to design the metal plate up front, but it is quite flat. So compared to some other brands that I've seen before, it warps and stuff. I've seen initial model ones even warped, so this one is, I think it's pretty cool. It's flat. It looks premium out of the box. Okay, and then okay, we'll come to this one later. Okay, so I'll show you now anyway. I'll just open it up. Okay, open it up and we put it aside. Okay. There's a decal sheet. I believe it's a water slide decal, and it does look like it's already cut out. Okay, that's pretty good. Evasive, Supreme, or Super Slow. So I'm not sure if these are actually based on a real one-to-one scale thing. So if you do know, please do let me know in the comment section below, right? Um, so this is based on a Voltex body kit, which actually looks pretty good, Okay, so it comes with a water slide decal. I've already done a video on how to install water slides decal before. You can check it out. Check them out. I'll put it in the description. The link in the description box below. And then it comes with these two accessories, which is something that I find very interesting. Okay, so this is supposed to go to the back. I think when you install the, let's just put it up there. Okay, that shoulder thingy. I've always wondered, does these things actually fit properly? It, it looks looks a little bit. Is it already in? It looks like it's already in, but okay. Anyway, is this supposed to work together? No. Okay, so that's if the cover is down, I guess. How does this thing er no, no. No, the heck. I'm still trying to figure it out. Yeah, it doesn't look like it works. No, it doesn't look like it works. Come on. I don't think it works like that. Yep, definitely without it. So yeah, why give us parts that doesn't work? Come on. Is it like that? No. Nah, if you ask me. Okay, is it in? It feels like it's in, but no, it's not. Yeah, so what's the point, right? Yeah, it doesn't work. So why do you want to give us something that doesn't work anyway? So let's just work without that. Yeah, still without the that accessory, the hard top. I think it does look pretty decent. Okay, let's get it out of the base and we'll take a close-up look on this one. I believe there's only 299 pieces was made. So 300 pieces, only 300 pieces was made. So this is believed to be very limited. No, it's so tight. Okay, I can't get it out with this screw driver. I have to go and grab another one. Okay. I'm always very afraid of destroying the groove on the screws, and then in the end I get it stuck and not able to open it. Okay, I think I got it out bit by bit. Okay, I'm just gonna use my fingers to twist it because I've been pressing on the car for quite with a bit of force actually, because it's a resin model, so I do worry that it will break. Ooh. Okay, this one is particularly really very tight. It's almost out. Almost got it out. Okay. The front seems alright. It's the back, the one that's giving me a headache. Ugh, still can't get it out. Why? What the hell? So freaking long. Really? Okay. So now it's the front. Then I need to screw all the way. Okay, so this one doesn't have that protective material between the base and the body of the car. That's a little bit of a worry, but okay, anyway, I'm just gonna put that aside. All right, and we'll take a closer look at the car itself. So yep, it's a resin model, so it's damn freaking light. Okay, it feels a little bit weird in my hands, but yeah, if you look at the details on this thing, right, it does look quite good. I believe that's the intercooler detailing in front. The front splitter detail, it's carbon fiber. There's a bit of the Voltex branding on the side. Okay, that's actually very nice. This is actually done pretty good, I think. There's a S2000 branding on the side. Okay, on the front fender, there's a carbon fiber finishing skirting. Okay, that looks like a sticker, but I think there's a clear coat, so it does look really nice. Blue disc brakes details, that's very nice. Okay, the wheels don't turn. Okay, can it roll? No, it's a resin model, so no, it's just, yeah, it doesn't roll. Okay, the back, okay, this one is quite nice because most of the scale models nowadays, right, they do the carbon fiber finishing on top, but they leave out the bottom part. So this one did it as well, so that's good. A plus point for wildfire. Underneath there's some details. Okay, it's triple revert with screws. Okay, there's two at the back, one in the front, and I guess this is a glued on piece, so it covers the part where it reverts. This is actually a very very nice part. Yeah, we can actually, yeah, this would be very nice if we place it on top of a diorama, and then with that two post leaf, right, to show the detail underneath. That's actually very nice. This is actually very nicely done, if you ask me. Yeah, this is a proper way to really do the details at the back. Okay, the diffuser at the back, it's actually a separate piece, possibly together with the single piece together with the exhaust. But from the looks of it, the finishing looks very different, very detailed. That's actually very nice. The other part that from the box itself, I really like, it's the way the lights are being done. Okay, rather than print on, these are actually very detailed. I can't tell how is it being done. Um, it looks like it's a separate piece. You know, the reverse lights, the indicator, and the brake lights. Okay, they do look like it's individual parts. They do kind of look like they're painted on as well, but it still looks damn good lah. Okay, if you ask me, it looks damn nice. All right, see the headlamps. The headlamps looks really nice as well. See how it stares back at you, the projector lights. Okay, that's very nice. I'm holding it like that because I'm just really afraid of dropping it. Okay, there's a double spoiler at the back. That's very nice. Okay, there's an antenna detail as well. That's nice. Interior wise, there's some seat belt 6-point harness detailing. The dashboard has a bit of detailing as well. Okay, that's nice. It's a plastic base. Okay, as per most resin models. I really like the details on this thing. It's really, you know, it's not just a sticker print. Okay, there's a real shape and texture to it. All right, the carbon fiber does look like it's a wrap. There's a bit of you know, not so clean. There's some leftover decal stickers in there. Okay, they're not that obvious, but you know, when you place a car like that, it's not that obvious, but you still can see it. So yeah, that's actually a pretty cool, pretty nice car. But yeah, I do think it looks a little bit small compared to the rest. That's one of the reasons why I placed the ignition model, R34, and also the MC64. That is something that I so happen to be having it on display anyway. So I thought I'd just, you know, put it in the video and you guys can see a comparison. It does look a little bit small though. But I do know the real thing is it is not that big anyway. So that could be the reason, but it does look a tad small. Still, overall, I think it's a very well executed model. Okay, I just noticed the sun visor as well, the detail, and the rear view mirror. That's very nice. The Vipers are a separate piece as well. Ooh, okay, I think I nearly broke mine. Ooh, okay, whoa, that's a separate piece and it's really very fine. Okay, I nearly broke mine, I think. I moved it. Luckily it didn't come off. So that I got very nervous. Okay, so luckily it didn't come off. All right, so yep. Okay, so that's my review on the Wildfire 64. So as usual, I will be taking close-up photos of this guy and putting them on my Instagram. Remember to follow me there, vertisource.mj. Remember to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so that you don't miss on any of my awesome diecast videos. Alright, thank you very much for watching, guys. Bye.